Y'all see what I'm... Oh my God. Yeah. Oh man. Lamborghinis. Jesus Christ. How we doing it this year? Oh. Stop playing with it. Oh my goodness. Stop playing with it. Lamborghinis this year, 2019, man. I don't care what nobody tell me. YouTube. I told you I was gonna come to y'all with some hits, and this is what we grinding for. And I'm gonna just keep it a big stack with y'all. The Lamborghini truck. This shit is sexy, baby. Oh my God. Lamborghini truck, man. Most of y'all only see this in GTA. Say no more, man. I gotta put it out into the world what I want so that I could attain that. That's fire. Oh my God. I'm just a kid from the Bronx, man. This is what it's looking like? This is what it's about to be looking like? Yeah. This is what it's about to be looking like? Oh my Lord. Yes. Talk to me nice, all 2019, man. So YouTube, y'all already know what it is. I'm back home. I'm about to get a y'all already know what it is t-shirt. That's like my favorite statement or something like that. I don't know. But I'm back home, man. You see me in the room in the office, chilling, vibing, watching some Netflix right now. Dealing with some prospects right now. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the content that I brought to y'all. It may have been short, but it was definitely popping. We was in that Lamborghini store turning up. And man, it was just a great experience, man. Even to see the Bentley truck, that was lit. Uh, so, yeah, even to see the Bentley truck was lit. The Lamborghini truck, oh my God. Yo, guys, we grinding this year, and I promise y'all, we gonna stack and stack and stack and stack, and by, I don't even want to put a date on it. I just want to I want to say it's gonna happen. That's all I want to say. It's gonna happen. So screw all the hate, screw all the shade, screw what everybody else is doing. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm trying to build towards. I'm trying to grow my team. I'm trying to grow my World Ventures team. I'm trying to grow my YouTube team, my freaking Instagram team. We just trying to be lit across the boards. I'm working right now with my cousin to set up a vacation to see if he's down to go to Paris, France. I want to definitely go see the Eiffel Tower. I want to be out there just chilling. Of course, I would have loved to be there with Shorty, but she's just not around right now. So it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I just got to do what I got to do to get to where I want to get to, man. And if you feeling this positive energy, if you feeling the vibe, man, if all you feeling is like, yo, people trying to bring you down, yo, push them away. You don't need them no more. They not your friends. They not going to help you grow. If your boy rather go smoke a blunt than freaking go make money, that's not the boy you need. You feel me? Or you the wrong friend because you not helping him say, yo, let's go get money. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, man, we are about growing on this channel, like I said. So we need to start that. You know what I'm saying? We need to start that. Start the change, because it's too many people is broke out here. It's too many people out here putting in 9 to 5s, don't got $1,000 in their bank account. You know what I'm saying? There's too many people busting their ass, retired, depend to a freaking SSI check or a Social Security check, excuse me, a pension, all that. Man, let's be rich and ball out now while we alive, because some of y'all are not even, some people are not even making it to see their retirement money. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I'm thinking. That's where my head is at right now. My waves are disgusting right now. They're still in, but the wolf is getting out of control. So I've been wearing hats. And that's pretty much what it's been. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, man. Like I said, today was just super exciting, bro. Like, just to see what I want from life, and just to see like where I see myself at. You know what I'm saying? In a I don't even want to say a few years. I want to say in a short amount of time where I see myself growing to. That's where it's at, man. So Yeah, man, it felt like I bought a Lamborghini today, but in all actuality, I just gained more focus, gained more awareness of where I want to be, gained more awareness of what I want out of life, and it's definitely to just be great. You know what I'm saying? Just to do better than what I'm doing right now, and that's an actuality that's I can make possible. You know what I'm saying? It's not something that I'm just talking like other people do. Um, and it's possible, bro. It's possible. I see YouTubers do it all the time. You know what I'm saying? But I'm doing it with a whole different mentality. I'm doing it with so much on my mind. And like I said, if you guys want to be part of it, y'all already know what to do, man. Click the link down below and let's get it popping, man. Also, this is not a paid advertisement, but do remember that, you know what, we are running a promo for $99 a month unless you sign up 4 people, and then you lit, man. Then it's free. You travel for free. You know what I'm saying? So you already know what to do, man. Hit me in my emails, hit my DMs, hit me anywhere you can find me, man. Find me and we can talk. We can talk on building our team and getting lit, man. Cause guess what? There's so many people out there who's really building their team and really out here eating and really out here going to the Lamborghini dealership and having niggas like, what the fuck is that dude doing buying a Lamborghini? Motherfucker, I'm buying a Lamborghini. Maybe I'm too hyped. But yo, it is what it is though, man. I love ya.
How you feel? How you feel? I'm feeling loose. Check out my moves. I got the juice. Yeah. How you feel? How you feel? I'm feeling nice. Cup full of ice. I got the juice. Check out my moves. I got the juice. I got the juice. I got the. Check out my moves. I got the juice. I got the juice.